Did you know you can create animations that look like they came out of a Pixar movie without needing fancy computers or expensive software? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Right now, free AI tools let anyone turn text into incredible animations, whether it's 3D, cartoon, anime, or even photorealistic styles. You don't need to be an artist or have any special skills. All you need to start is a good story, and I'm going to show you exactly how to come up with one and turn it into an incredible animation step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own animated videos using free AI tools. Let's dive in. By the way, I've linked all helpful tools in the description below, so be sure to click on those to sign up for free accounts and exclusive deals. Step 1. Create a strong story. Without a story, your animation has no direction or purpose, so this is the most important step. Think of the story as the blueprint for your video. It's where you decide what happens, who the characters are, and how it will look. To make this easier, I'll show you how to use an AI tool to help create your story in a way that's simple but keeps everything consistent for your animation. But before we jump into the tools, let's talk about how to structure the story. You'll need a template, which helps you organize everything clearly so that each time you want to create a video, you can come back to it and start right away. The template has two main parts. Part 1 is where you define the story's theme and main character. For example, if your story is about a young girl exploring a magical forest, you'd write that down. Part 2 includes details about the main character, like her age, hairstyle, clothing, and personality. These details are important because they'll guide the AI tools when generating images and animations. For example, if your character has curly red hair and a green dress, those details need to stay consistent in every scene. Now let's create the story using AI. A tool like ChatGPT works perfectly for this. All you need to do is provide the template details we just talked about. For example, you could write, "My story is about a 12-year-old girl named Lily who finds a glowing key in a magical forest. She has curly red hair, wears a green dress, and carries a small backpack. She's brave but curious." Once you've provided these details, ask ChatGPT to create a short story based on them. The AI will generate a story that includes what happens and descriptions of the scenes, as well as prompts for creating images. This output will act as the script for your animation. Step 2. Create visuals. To do this, we'll use Leonardo AI. This tool is great for creating images from text prompts, and it's easy to use. Start by going to the Leonardo AI website and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the image creation option. Here's where you'll use the first image prompt from the AI story that ChatGPT created. Copy and paste that prompt into the box. Now it's time to adjust the settings to get the best results. In the preset drop-down, choose the Phoenix 1.0 model. This is a great choice for creating dynamic and detailed images. Next, turn off the prompt enhanced option. This gives you more control over the final image. For the style, select dynamic, which works well for animation projects. Then set the generation mode to fast. For the format, choose a 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for YouTube videos, or you can pick the setting for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reel videos. You'll also want to set the image size to medium and generate 4 images at a time. Once everything is set up, click Generate. The tool will create several images based on your prompt. Take a look at the results and choose the one that fits your vision the best. Download it to your computer. Repeat this process for each image prompt in your story. Now, if you want to keep your character consistent, so Lily looks the same in every image, you'll need to use the seed feature in Leonardo AI. After choosing an image, note the seed number that appears. In the settings, enable the Use Fixed Seed option and paste the seed number into the box. This makes sure that the AI uses the same style and details for Lily across all scenes. It's a simple way to make your animation look professional. Once you've created and downloaded all your images, it's time to animate them. Step 3. Animate your images. For this step, we'll use Kling AI, a tool that converts images into animated video clips. Click the link in the description to head to the Kling AI website and then create a free account. After logging in, head to the Image to Video section. Here, upload one of the images you created with Leonardo AI. The file should be in JPG or PNG format, under 10 megabytes and at least 300 pixels wide. Next, you'll see a box for entering animation ideas. This is where you describe how you want the image to move. For example, you could write, "The camera zooms in slowly on the glowing key as the light pulses." Adjust the creativity slider to balance between keeping it realistic and adding some artistic flair. For the mode, choose Standard Mode, which is free to use. Keep in mind that the video length is limited to 5 seconds in the free plan. Once you've entered your settings, click Generate. Kling AI will create a short video clip based on your image and animation description. After it's done, download the video. You can repeat this process for all your images, so each one becomes a small animated clip. With the free plan, you'll have watermarks in your videos, but that's okay if you're just experimenting. Getting a paid plan is worth it if you're happy with what Kling creates. Step 4. Generate a voiceover. Now that you've created the animations, the next step is adding narration. 11 Labs is the best tool for this. It's a free text-to-speech tool that can create natural-sounding voiceovers. Start by heading to the 11 Labs website and signing up for a free account. Once you're in, copy the narration text from your story output. Paste the text into the text-to-speech box and choose a voice that matches your story's tone. For a magical story like this, a calm and slightly mysterious voice works well. Click the button to generate the speech, and once it's ready, download the audio file. Do this for each part of your story's narration. Step 5. Edit your video. With all the animation clips and narration files ready, it's time to bring everything together in a video editor. You can use free tools like CapCut or Canva, or more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro if you're familiar with it. Open your video editor and create a new project. Import all your animation clips and audio files. Start by dragging the video clips onto the timeline in the order of your story. If you get a warning about mismatched settings, just choose Keep Existing Settings. Select all the clips and scale them to fit the frame. Then, import the audio narration files and place them on the audio track of the timeline. Use the razor tool to cut the audio into sections that align with each video clip. This helps make the story flow naturally. When everything is lined up, preview the video to make sure it looks and sounds good. If you're happy with it, export the final project. And that's it. You've just turned a simple story into a fully animated video using free AI tools. From creating the story to generating images, animating them, and adding narration, you now have a complete process that anyone can follow. What type of stories will you be creating, and where will you post them? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.